I think one of the things that you can practice as a freelancer, lalo na kung bagong-bago ka pa lang at kagaya kayo ni Chichi na wala daw pumapansin ng application niyo sa Upwork, kaya hindi na rin siya bumibili ng connects. And ang dami pa daw niyang na-encounter na scammer sa Upwork. Oh, I think nagkaroon ng namumula yung mata ko. Huwag yan ang napasinin. It's probably the lagnat na hindi lumalabas. But going back, so, when applying for freelance work, you have to be strategic. When I say strategic, every move you make, every rejection that you get, lahat ng feedback na nare-receive ninyo, or kahit nga yung mga no feedback, yung hindi na nagre-reply, you have to check. You have to be carefully calibrating based on the client's needs. I think this topic is crucial for aspiring freelancers who wants to land na their first client. Kasi I know yung feeling na it could be really daunting, lalo na if, alam mo yung paulit-ulit na lang yung rejection every single day. But guys, with the right strategies and if you are parang carefully calibrating based on your client's need, you can actually set yourself up for success. Meaning, hindi nyo man makuha yung mga clients na to ngayon, there is a possibility that you can get your first client as soon as ma-realize mo ano ba yung problem na sinoservice ko. First things first, you have to research on ano nga ba yung kailangan ng clients based dun sa service na ino-offer ko. Think of your service as the product na ino-offer ninyo sa market. So, i-research nyo yung industry na gusto nyong i-service, i-analyze nyo yung client's business, ano ba yung mga pain points nila, saan sila nahihirapan. Pagkatapos, yung pinakang pitch nyo will be tailor-fit based dun sa kanilang pain points. You have to customize your pitch. Tapos during interviews, highlight relevant skills. Kumbaga, during the interview, it's like you're parang proposing a solution instead of just being checked if fit ba to sa team, ganyan. Tapos, halimbawa, nararamdaman ninyo na parang hindi pa pala kayo ganun ka-expert. Take advantage of that interview to ask questions, be clear and concise, follow up, seek feedback, tapos adjust your strategy. Guys, tandaan ninyo, ang freelancing, it's a business, and landing your first client as a freelancer would involve understanding ano yung needs ngayon sa market, i-tailor nyo yung approach ninyo based dun sa service na ino-offer ninyo, communicate effectively. And when I say communicate, hindi kailangan perfect yung English, but you have to be able to get the message out across, tama ba? Ngayon, kung hindi nyo alam kung paano ninyong gagawin yon, itry nyo tong ginagawa ko sa Upwork, wherein finifilter ko kung ano nga ba yung kailangan yung service ko as a, let's just say for the purpose of this video, virtual assistant. When I say i-filter ninyo yung Upwork, I meant ilalagay ninyo yung keyword dito sa taas, pagkatapos dito, syempre ilalagay nyo hourly, pagkatapos number of proposals para less ang competition, and then verified ang payment, and then kung gusto niyo ng morning shift, again, pwede nyo i-filter yung location to Australia. Kung gusto niyo naman para nagpuyat lang sa maling tao, then United Kingdom. Pwede rin kayong mag-filter based on time zone, pero dahil wala naman akong KEMS kung anong oras ako mag-work, ganyan na lang siya. After that, pwede nyo rin gamitin si Upwork kung halimbawa, ayaw nyo na talaga mag-apply doon, pero pwede nyo siyang gamitin for research purposes. Meaning, based sa mga nakapost dito, for example, di nyo alam kung ano yung kajabi. Pag click nyo ng ganyan, makikita nyo dito yung job description, tapos you can do your research na. Makikita nyo, naghahanap din sila ng for marketing funnel. So, ano ba yung marketing funnel? I-research nyo dyan. Check nyo kung ano nakasulat dyan. So, kumbaga, yung time na i-dedicate niyo para mag-apply is also probably a good time for you to do self-development, diba? Dagdag kaalaman. I mean, it's not gonna be easy at first, but at the very least, kumbaga na-develop yung iyong knowledge tungkol sa freelancing industry na i-stretch ang brain cells. Ganon. Hope this provides a little more clarity. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis.